Well, for now, GM and Ford seem to want to restrict the right of consumers to repair their own cars. That's right, the future. Oh boy. Let's jump into this right now. Before I do, you can help me out by doing what's up here. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment, and of course, watch the video right to the end. Now, this is as it pertains to the United States, and Donald Trump has addressed this contentious vehicle right to repair debate from the Oval Office following a private meeting with senior automotive industry leaders. Executives from General Motors, Ford, and the National Automotive Dealers Association met with the administration to discuss the upcoming federal legislation frameworks. So Trump apparently was pretty surprised that automakers were trying to push this structural restrictions of sorts into vehicles, stating that manufacturers effectively want a bill that prevents consumers from fixing their own cars. Auto companies agree that restricting direct digital access is necessary to protect proprietary software systems and maintain vehicle cybersecurity. So, independent repair businesses and consumer advocacy groups counter that full access to diagnostic data is required to foster market competition and lower maintenance bills. Meanwhile, the Auto Care Association has urged Congress to pass a bipartisan Repair Act to permanently protect consumer repair options. And yes, that would be a good thing. Now, who knows how this will go? But currently, a House committee has advanced a compromise proposal that would formally codify existing automotive data sharing agreements under Federal Trade Commission oversight. While major automotive trade groups back this baseline framework, dealer organizations oppose broader mandates out of concern over component reverse engineering. Now, I don't know how you feel about this, but you should be, as a consumer, allowed to repair whatever you purchase. And if you can't, this should be presented to you clearly at the beginning before you purchase it. Your comments down below.